Okay, welcome back everybody. Yes, it's still for sale. Not even one offer. The high bid on eBay was $6,000 and that's absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, back to work. We have a freshly decked engine here. Let's just make sure this is cleaned off. He did a really... He oiled this extra when he put it in the Jeep for me. We didn't oil that, so I'm going to have to do a little cleanup on that, but I think we'll be okay. He took off absolute minimum on this to make that flat. So let's see what we got going on here. We got now I'm assuming, yeah, that's the front. It's not light. It is definitely not light. Hangs over a little bit over here, and here it must be crooked. Yeah, that's better. That's a lot better. All right, now we need something to measure with. I think I'll go with the silver solder. Let's be classy. There's one. All right, we need to know how long these bolts or studs need to be, so there. Okay, the first one, I'm going to say 5, and if we go 5.5, be right there. It's to the bottom of the hole too, so we're going to take a little bit off. Yeah, it's 5 5/8. I'm going to say 5.5. See if they're all the same. Yep. Wrong hole. I hate it when that happens. Five inches on that, less than 5. Why is that one so shallow? That can't be right. We got a hell of a right there. There we go. I was hitting the lip. Okay. So 5. I'm gonna say 5.5. Let's just make sure we're all the same. What's interesting on this is the amount is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and there's 15 holes in the block. Bring this back up here again. I'm going to see what's going on with that hole. What's going on down here? Oh. Still liquid in some of these. Yeah, this one's blown out. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but the bottom is only half there. It's half broken out. But this one, it's just going in there, and the rest of them are only that deep. So we got 1 inch plus this much. We should be at 5.5 again. Yep, 5 5/8. I would. That's what it's going to look like. One head bolt sticking out. Oh, no, all of them sticking out. Somewhere in there. All of them sticking out. Alright, so that's another thing we need to consider here. Is the size of the nut. If we do studs, are we going to be able to get the nut on? Yeah, I don't think so. I think we're going to have to go with bolts. I know, I just changed my whole tune. Changed my whole tune here because I don't think, maybe, but I doubt it. Because if that's the So if that's the stud sticking up, that's going to be the size of the nut. So let's just pretend that that's like that. Right here probably be no problem. Over here, maybe we'll be alright. That one's recessed. These three are not recessed though. We will have to probably key those. Recessed. That one. I don't know. I don't know. The jury's out. Thought I had it all figured out. Thought I had it figured out. But I didn't. Washers have B's on them. This is a Rajo B. Or are they out of something else? Come on. If I'd known it was going to be so difficult, I wouldn't have took it off. Come on. There we go. Let's just leave that on there. I'm kidding, it's going to come off again to put the push rods in. Okay. So let's this here. I don't know why it must have leaked or something. Okay, so that's where that's gonna go. Do we have room? Oh, it's way out there now. Is this backwards? Why is it hanging over? the front like that. I get that it's to clear that. Got a little bit of room in there, but it doesn't really fit. I can't go this way. No. I don't know. I'm leaning towards bolts. Let's see if that stays in place. I'd like to find the original bolts that are supposed to be in this. If anybody knows how this a source for the original bolts, that would be better. I mean, we've got plenty of room here and here. I think they'll clear with studs. I don't know. I guess it depends on what we can find. I think we're going to be okay. Yeah, this one's got a gap under it too. Look at this. What's this? There's definitely a gap in there. I don't know why. It's there. I think we'd be alright either way. As long as the nuts aren't any bigger than that. Torquing them down might be a little difficult. We're actually under the end of this. So maybe I'll have to torque the head down before I put this on. I don't know, this is all speculation, folks. I mean, I've done overhead engines before, but I've never done an 8-valve Rajo before. It is pretty cool. I don't know. If we can find the original bolts, it would be better, but I think we could do studs if we need to. Alright, so this is part of the process, folks. You got to put stuff together, you got to look at it, you got to measure it, you got to speculate. You got to come to conclusions, and you got to get all your ducks in a row before you move forward. Because if you don't, you run into unexpected problems, and that's not what we want here. We only want expected problems. The unexpected problems are not welcome. Well, maybe if it cools off outside, we can get back to work. I've got to wash this. It might still have sand in it, and or machine shavings. I do see stuff down in the holes that aren't blown out, so this needs a thorough cleaning before I start messing with that crankshaft. We did miss. I got the crankshaft pulley, but I forgot to order the key for it. So I can't put that on yet. Why does that say H? If it's the guy's initial that made it. No. Is it an M or an H? It's definitely an H. Dan made it. I know Dan. Alright, so this is going to have to go back. This is the wrong head gasket. We still need a head gasket. That was fit without the head gasket, and we were at, what was that, 5 5/8? I'll have to back the video up. You know what, if you want to know what the number was on the depth, go back and play the video all over again. That would actually help me out. I'm a little bummed about my caliper's not working again. Jeez, every time I go to use them, they're dead. I need to remind myself. I think he wanted me to paint that black, but I want to double check before I do it. It needs some love anyway. Make that black, make it match the engine. And this will really, that'll really pop on a black head. Black head. Oh, good grief. We're at the point where we can start putting this thing back together again. Alright. I know, this one was boring. Get back into it. It's freaking hot in here. It is too hot in here. So,